Hello, guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we are going to check the progression thesis style question number 5 of the stage 7. In the description, I left you the link of two videos. One is about finding the volume of cubes and rectangle prisms, and the other one is about multiplying by decimal numbers. Those two topics are used in this video, so if you want more explanation, you can go there. Okay, guys, let's check the question. The length of an edge of the cube is given in the following image, and we are given that the edge is 3.5 centimeters. Find the volume of the cube. So, since this is a cube, the volume is just the length to the power of 3. So, in this case, all we need to do is to multiply 3.5 by itself 3 times. So, let's start here. 3.5 times 3.5. Remember, we do it normally, we just worry about the decimal point at the end. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 and we carry the 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Now the 3. 3 times 5 is 15, we carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And we add them together. 5, 12, we carry the 1, 2, and 1. We count the decimals 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So we write the decimal point here. And then that result, which is multiplied again by 3.5. Again, 5 times 5 is 25, we carry the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Then the 3. 3 times 5 is 15, we carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. We add them together 5, 7, 8, 12, we carry the 1, and 4. Finally, we count the decimals 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then we put the decimal point there. So the answer is 42.875 cube centimeters. And that's how you get the mark. Okay, guys, that was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like if it was useful. Subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Book your own lessons with me. And let me any question you have in the comments box. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.